Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about how to write an index of two-dimensional array. Before that, we already studied about what is two-dimensional array, how we can initialize the values of two-dimensional array. And we can see that a two-dimensional array is the combination of rows and columns. There are rows and there are some columns because when we declare or define two-dimensional array, then we give one value for rows, this one, and this one value is for column. So when we are dealing with the two-dimensional array, then we must need some looping mechanism to write or to access the at index of two-dimensional array. So loop is a better way of writing to the indexes of a two-dimensional array. So we can use looping to writing for writing and access or access of a two-dimensional array. So now we are going to look upon one example that how we can write something in the array by using of looping. So we can use one program for this purpose. So we can add a new program here. Title is writing it an index of two-dimensional array. So we are going to start the program, dear students. A is equal to 0 and J is less than 3 and terminator J plus and this one and C out I and J I and J terminator and terminator the closing of the statement gets CH this one and this one. So this one we can say first of all we must say the program two-dimensional array writing and then we are going to execute the program. Mostly I did this spelling mistake over here. So we can apply here clear screen. So we can clear the result. We can see the result of the program. So now we can see that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I give you this value, I give this program this value, and this one shows the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, we are going to run this program 10 and 20 and 30 and 40 and 50 and 60 and sorry, we can see that 10 and 20. Again, we can run this one to show the result. This one is 10 and 20 and 30 and 40 and 50 and 60. And then you can see that this one shows that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 are two-dimensional array, we can write some values in this two-dimensional array. So we can see that for this purpose, we can use these loops. The first loop is for this row, and the second loop is for this column. So first loop is processing for row, and second loop is processing for column. So there are two loops we are going to use, first and second. And by this way, we can enter the value into I and j. And then how we can show these value, we can use again two arrays, and then these two we can use two loops. For loop, first loop shows the rows of the value, and second loop shows the column of the value. Then it will show our result. So again, one time we can see that if we can give the value 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 2, and you can see that 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2, 2 values are there. You can use 2, 2 and 2, 3, 3 and 3. You can see that these are the values. So how, by this way, we can write the values in two-dimensional arrays. This program shows the how to write the values in two-dimensional arrays. Thank you very much for today.